Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and I was able to get my hands on the Galaxy S9 Plus a little bit early, so let's take a look at it. This is the S9, and this is from Verizon, and they were nice enough to send this along to take a look at. So we've got a little package here. Let's see what's inside. We've got a SIM card removal tool, we've got some literature, meet your phone, consumer information, health and safety. Let's set that aside. Here is the phone itself. So this is the lilac color. It also comes in coral blue and midnight black. So it's called lilac purple. So let's set that aside. And then inside, we've got our fast charging wall adapter. Looks like it has a USB-A adapter on the side. Let's see what else we've got in here. We've got a USB-A to USB-C adapter for moving content from one phone to another. And then in here, we have our USB-C cable, it looks like. USB-C cable, just like we had before in the previous version. And then we have a set of headphones, AKG headphones, so I'll try those out as well. Let's take a look at the phone itself. So before I do that, let's peel the cover off. We'll peel the back one off. It's kind of a nice color, actually. Let's turn it on. Secured by Knox. And just for a quick comparison, while it's booting up, here's the S9 Plus. This is the S8 Plus. So very similar in size. We'll wait for it to boot up. They feel about the same in the hand. And then on the back, there's some obvious differences right there. So let's take a look at this phone once it boots up. It says starting Android, initialization. Oh, it's talking. Let's see, start. We'll have to agree, sign in with Google. So we can set up a couple different security measures. You'll see this is intelligent scan, face recognition, iris scanner. It's your choice. So to use intelligent scan, unlock your phone or verify your apps, you'll need to set a secure lock, register your face or irises. So intelligent scan combines face and iris scanning to improve accuracy and security even in low or very bright light. So we'll set that up. So now we have some options, transparency, things like that. And the next. And we should be just about done. So it looks very familiar. It comes with some pre-installed apps, it looks like. We've got the little app drawer on the side. It says apps at a glance. I know all about that, of course. Apps at a glance. We've got Bixby on the side. We'll do this later. And we have a dedicated Bixby button. We've got our volume buttons. We've got our power sleep wake button. And then on the back, we've got the new fingerprint sensor location, which is much better than the previous one. You'll see here it was next to the camera, so you were always hitting the camera. This is in a much better place. Although this wasn't too big of an issue for me, this is much better. We also have the dual aperture lens. We've got our biometric reader and flash. And then that's it. So I'll be using this for a little while. Let's see if we can try some camera features though. You'll see it sees my face pretty clearly with the camera right here. Let's try AR emoji. So create my emoji. So it created my emoji, and I'm not so sure it looks like me, but whatever. So we'll take a little bit closer look at this from here on out and see what it's like. I mean, it's typical Android on the Galaxy S9 Plus. It feels very familiar to the previous version. Of course, you have the different color, at least than from what I've been using. But other than that, it feels like the same sort of phone, but it looks just as good. And we have that new camera with the dual aperture. So let's flip that around. Let's see if we can mess around with that a little bit. So we have the ability to change the aperture right here. It's pretty neat. And I'll play around with that again, like I said, at another time, and see how that works in low light and very bright light and things like that. So that is the S9 Plus unboxing and first look. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.